We're going to start out by blending our peeled tomatoes, but not too much. You still want your mixture to be a little bit thick. Add a little bit of oil to your pan before you add your tomato sauce. Then add just a little bit of wine to make it taste better. Cut 2 full onions. Well, apparently I need to learn how to cut onions because it hurts. It hurts a lot. And it's making me cry. Oh my God, it burns. I gotta figure out how you're supposed to cut the onions so that it doesn't hurt. Mix well with your tomato sauce. Cook your meat separately. Then season it with wine, pepper, salt, garlic powder, and whatever else you decide to make it a little bit special. Then, when the meat is cooked, make sure to drain it from any excess water. Then, mix it with your sauce, and your meat sauce is ready to serve. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys, till next time.